Hey fam, I don't know how long my signal is gonna last, but look at that. The storm is coming. It says it's gonna rain. It's gonna be thunderstorms, tornadoes, everything is gonna happen in about 30 minutes. So we getting ready to get out of here. We just finished our first day shooting, and we're getting ready to get out of here. Let me see, did they finish setting up? Oh, they taking pictures and stuff. So gotta get up again in the morning and get situated. Let me see where they set up, but give me 1 second. Look at that, y'all. Y'all see the clouds up there? That's our chauffeur right there. He been taking us around everywhere. But this is the Russell Travel Center. Look how dark them clouds. They just like rolling in like it ain't nothing. But this is the travel center, y'all. Let me see if I can take y'all over there where they filming. Give me 1 second. It is no joke. It's getting ready to pour down. It's getting ready to, oh, he's trying to put a drone up in the air. Watch the drone. Y'all see the drone? He's getting ready. Oh, it's cold. Uh-oh, we're going to have to get out of here. Oh, wow, look at that. That's a little drone. But it's getting bad. Ooh, the wind's starting to pick up. We better get oh God. Oh my goodness, what was that? Yeah, everybody packing up, y'all, so I'm gonna get in the car as well. But this is our driver. He picked us up from the hotel and take us to the hotel, and oh, there he is right there. He got Ripley in the car. Where's he going? I wonder if he's driving along. Huh? Yeah! Look at you, superstar. Tell them about your channel. This is my Facebook Live. Tell them who you are on your channel.
My name is Dooner Livingstone. Look at me. YouTube.com/Dooner Livingstone. Facebook on Dooner James Livingstone.
Dooner, D-U D-O-O-N-E-R Livingstone on YouTube. So y'all check him out. How long you been driving?
10 years.
10 years. Superstar. He got on his shades. He just got finished filming. So, where did he go? Uh-oh. Where did he drive off to? Oh, look at the lightning. Y'all want to hurry up and get on the road. This is about to go down. Oh, he went to get some fuel. He went to get some fuel in a thing, and I'm like, where did he go? You see that? That is no joke. We getting ready to get out of here, y'all. Look at that. It's coming in. Out in New Mexico, in the middle of nowhere. Look at this clouds. You didn't order nothing to eat? Did you You're not hungry? Look at Ripley. I got me. All right, you. I got me some enchiladas. But look at there. It's getting ready to get bad. I know. I love your car. That is so nice. Wow. Oh, really?
I'm pretty sure you pay more for your car than mine.
Oh, no. That ain't even mine.
People think it's expensive.
Oh, really? And it's not? I was going to get one, but I went and got a Infinity.
It's expensive.
Really? Oh, wow. That's nice. Okay, y'all, I had to come in. I'm videotaping the weather. Oh, there's the truck. See the truck in the trailer? Y'all see it? There it is. It's a tornado coming. It's like I feel like I'm in one of those, you know, one of those movies that be like Storm Chasers. We're going to have to change it to Storm Chasers because it's about to be a tornado come through here. But yeah, we packing up, getting ready to go. That's the other driver, Patrick. He's an owner operator. He's been driving for like 20 years. Y'all, I am the baby of the bunch. Yes, it's me. I'm the baby of the bunch. I only been driving for 5 years, but everybody else been driving for 10, 15, 20, 25, 35 years. But I've been driving for 5, so I am the newbie. I am the baby. I am the rookie on the block. But other than that, y'all see the truck? They got a Volvo about to fuel up. Oh, we about to go? All right, y'all. I will talk to y'all later. Peace, love, joy, and happiness. You want me to get back there? I'll get back there. Huh? Oh, okay. Get back, Rip. Get down. That's mine. Get back, Ripley. My food. Here, I got it.
Go and get in there. I can hand it to you.
Thank you.
I get you to hand me my charger cord down that back porch.
Okay.
He took off on me and let the phone die.
What's your charger?
Both of them are yours?
Yeah.
Both of them in that one plug.
You need a charger?
There you go.
You need to charge your phone?
No,